I pay $4,000 for a one-bedroom apartment in Los Angeles. I've bought 3 new cars since my last promotion. Lifestyle inflation creeped up on me hard, and here's a couple of ways you can avoid it when it happens to you. Learn to separate your wants from your necessities. This will help you figure out how to understand what value is. Say you're looking at a couple of apartments, figure out what a necessity is for you, and then find the apartments that fulfill that necessity. And then figure out a couple of wants you would like for your apartment, and then narrow the list down even further with that. Now, let's say for simplicity, the apartment that fulfills your necessity is $3,000 a month, but the apartment that fulfills your necessities and your wants are $4,000 a month, and you can afford both. And here's where the real assessment comes. Are your wants worth $1,000 a month? For example, if the amenity that the more expensive apartment has is a gym, think about it to yourself. Would you pay $1,000 a month for a gym? You already have these habits built in on what you value and how much you value things at. And when they get lump summed into something, you kind of overlook it and you think to yourself, I want this and I'm willing to pay more for this and I can afford this. But learn to assess the value and figure out what makes sense to you and your financial situation. The other thing to keep in mind is if you lost your job tomorrow and all your source of income, are you okay with continuing this payment and continuing down this path?